Yo, yo, yo.
Can I see me? Hi guys!
What up, guys? So,
It's Sean and Sam!
and me, I'm deaf now.
It's Sean's birthday!
It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Tonight we're gonna watch I Love Lucy, the long, long trailer.
That's what I'm doing.
We bought these really cute sweaters for the dogs for Christmas because we're going up to New York to see family. So we got them.
For Christmas.
For Christmas, yeah.
So we shopped a little early.
Because we want them to look cute for their grandparents.
Yeah. So we gotta put them on.
We got them both to see.
Yeah, we got matching ugly sweater vests. Like.
Oh my god! Obviously you can tell it was a girl. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh, here we go, Cody. Yeah, I'll give it to Cody first.
He seems pretty excited.
Yeah, it does. Come here.
I don't think he knows what's going on.
Oh, he jumped on the couch for me.
Boy.
I have to get it. I have to get over his head before he starts biting.
Dog abuse. I'm just kidding. Oh, God. Put him on the floor. Put him on the floor. He's like, what in the world? What is this? Get this off of me. Here's the fun part. We got one for Arvy, too.
$5.
This one should be really good. Yeah, $5 at Walmart. They had a whole bunch of them, but...
But the bigger size is the extra large, and extra large is $2 more.
So it's about cost with her.
Because I'm letting everybody know. In case it gets interested. Arvy, come here.
Oh, God. We're going to do Arvy now. Hold on. Where is Arvy?
In the bedroom. Arvy, come here.
I'll be right back, guys. I got to go get Arvy. He's a little tempo. What's that, Arvy? What's that? Look, you got a big sweater vest.
Yeah. Which way does the head come? No.
Oh, my God. Arvy.
Arvy, come here. Come here. Arvy, come here.
Come on, Arvy, let's go. Let's get your sweater vest on.
Come on, you gotta look cute when we go up to New York. Come on. You want a treat? Come here. You gotta come here. Arvy, don't make me go over there. I got it on Arvy. I didn't take that off yet.
Oh, all right. God. Come here, Arvy. Come out here. Come here, I want to show everybody.
I don't know why it's acting like that.
You look so good.
The fat on his neck.
You look so... Oh, you look so festive. Yeah, you look so toasty.
Fresh to death.
Fresh to death.
Cody, stop it. It's not nice. I should have left Cody's on. Hi guys. So I did a free decal on Facebook. They showed it. My friend introduced me to it. If you Google it, you probably can find it. So it came in today, and I thought I will show you guys. So I have it. It comes with this, and it just says hello, and you stick figure family and everything. And then you can choose like which park you want behind you, what you want to look like, what you want to wear, last name and stuff. So this is ours. Isn't it cute? Can you guys guess what is what? This is supposed to be Arvy, but it's very small. And you can just peel it and place it wherever you want. But I don't know if we're gonna do that. But I thought I'd just share with you guys. It's cute, right? Hey guys, so we're outside. Sean's surprised and we're saying we can put the decal on. We decided we're gonna put it on the door because we think it'll be cute. If someone knocks on the door, they'll see this. So you have to wipe it first. This is what
I didn't realize was it's a sticker. I thought it was like a peel and stick, like one of those vinyl decal kind of things. It's like, I don't know. So it ends up being a sticker. So.
It's one of the cats on the farm that likes to hang out with us to scare the crap out of us.
So I'm just going to spray this. I'm just using simple glass cleaner. Nothing too strong or whatever.
It's Cody. We have to put Cody in his room because he keeps jumping onto the
screen.
Onto the screen. And we don't want his nails piercing it. And while we're here, there's a light from Dollar General, $5, guys.
Really bright. You can't really tell how bright it lights up everything right now, but it's really bright. Let me grab that sticker from you, Sam. Thank you.
Aw.
Stubbs, you scared the hell out of me.
His name is Sherwin, but we call him Stubbs because of his tail. He has cataracts in one of his eyes. It's upside down. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell is that on it already?
It's just,
We show you line it. Him and I have OCD. So we're going to make sure it's perfect. Stubbs! Yeah, Stubbs! Such a good kitty. Oh, little technical difficulties. You watching too, Stubbs? Yeah, make sure he's doing a good job. Oh, I get that bubble out.
Oh yeah, it's a little bubble.
Oh my god.
Well, the good news is it peels right off if you need to move it. Alright. Yeah.
Oh, bugs are starting to come out. It's nice and breezy, so they're not really out that much right now. So yeah, so if someone comes and knocks on the door, they'll just come up close and see how cute this is.
I know who they're messing with.
They'll know that we're the Donovans.
We're the Donovans.
So I'll show you guys far away what it looks like. Yeah, there's the door, there's the light.
Looks very nice. Looks cute.
There's Stubbs messing with tree holder. Let's get a close up. Yep, and that's it. So if you guys are interested in doing it, you could probably just Google free decal from Disney. And I think it took us like 4 weeks for me to get it.
Yeah, I don't know why, but it's
But you could also screenshot it on your phone. I did, and I used it as a background on my phone. But yep, that's it. And there's our $5 light from Dollar General. We really like it. And we have our solar lights out as well. Yep. There's Sherwin. But that is it, guys. And we'll see you next video.